How exactly do you make money online with ONPASSIVE in 2022? This is a question many people are asking, and I would like to share my insights. Please note that there are still many moving parts in ONPASSIVE, but I hope this video will help you make the most of this unique opportunity. There are multiple ways to make money with ONPASSIVE. The income structure is proprietary by design so that everyone has a chance to succeed. However, there are a few things that are public knowledge. Apart from the employees and management, also called partners, there are three groups of people who will make money with ONPASSIVE. 1. The founder, reseller, customer. A 3-in-1 position. 2. Reseller, customer. A 2-in-1 position. 3. Customer. Definitions. ONPASSIVE founder. Anyone who signs up to become a founder while the offer lasts. ONPASSIVE reseller, an independent reseller of ONPASSIVE's digital or physical products. ONPASSIVE customer, an individual or corporation that uses ONPASSIVE's digital or physical products. How does the founder, reseller, customer group make money? This is the best position to be in. Every founder, reseller, customer is expected to purchase an initial product package after the global launch. The package includes a website with your personal brand, access to ONPASSIVE products, and ONPASSIVE marketing at varied levels. At this point, ONPASSIVE markets its products on your behalf and you earn commissions on sales. However, you may decide to be active, and you can market the ONPASSIVE products directly or indirectly. More on that in future videos. As a founder, your income comes not only from your efforts, but also from the efforts of the company and combined team efforts. There are also some undisclosed perks which will be revealed when the founder opportunity closes. How does the reseller, customer group make money? This position will become available after the founder position closes and after the global launch of ONPASSIVE to the public. The reseller, customer earns income the same way as the founder position, but without the additional perks and privileges of the founder position. This means the reseller, customer also purchases a package which includes a website with your personal brand, access to ONPASSIVE products and ONPASSIVE marketing at varied levels. Reseller, customers are likely to be customers who sign up to become independent resellers of ONPASSIVE products. How does the customer group make money? The customer makes money from savings on a wide range of products which are better and have a better price point than available alternatives. ONPASSIVE is a unique company with innovations in marketing, profit sharing and a host of other things. This is just a brief summary to help you understand the company you have joined or plan on joining. And whatever we are seeing now is just a tip of the iceberg. As of the date of recording this video, founding member positions are still available at the discounted price of $97. Joining is by invitation only, so you can contact the person who shared this video with you for a link to join. If you found this video on your own, my link to join over 1 million founders is below in the description. Also below in the description, you will find links to the ONPASSIVE corporate website and YouTube videos of ongoing global marketing campaigns by ONPASSIVE. See you at the top. Please stay tuned to this channel for more updates that are available to the public.